just so you can see how dirty this car is, she has not had a bath in more than a year. I have really big plans for this electric spin scrubber today. We have restarted our restoration on a project car. She's an '89 Camaro, but she is dirty and needs a bath. So I am going to use this electric spin scrubber to give her a bath today. In this video, I'll show you what's inside the box. I'm going to demo it for you. You're going to see before and afters of Jewel, that's her name. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. I really don't think you're going to fit in that box, but I mean... So in the package, we have quite a few attachments. We have brushes and sponges and microfiber cloths and this one that is still absolutely 100% my favorite because it's super bright and amazing looking. Like it looks fun and it feels fun. You also have the charging port. You have the actual scrubbing motor and an extendable wand. Uh-oh, I missed. There we go. It just clips right into place like that. You just pop it right into place like that. So what's really nice about this one is that you can adjust the angle of the head. So you just twist this way, which is going to be super helpful when I'm cleaning the car. Now, instead of it being straight on, it's bent at a 90-degree angle. Super cool. I think it's going to work out really, really well. And this isn't even as far as the handle goes out. Like, the handle comes out even further. It's a telescopic handle, which means, guess what it means? It means I can reach the top. Are you kidding? And I don't have to like overextend myself. I can reach the top. Just in case you have one doubt in your mind as to how dirty she was. Yeah, that's how dirty she was. And that spin brush made this a whole lot easier. I can't even tell you. Look, and it's such an amazing, like, bright green color. Like, holy bananas. I love it. Again. Look at the difference. Okay. The charger port is in this top part here. You pull this little rubber gasket out and then there's the charger port. So I'm going to plug this in and charge it before we finish the rest of the car.